As some of you guys may know, Sid got sideswiped. Join us in this episode where we need to deal with the side repairs. Yes, we need to get it done fairly quick. Yes, come the 15th of March, we're at the Volksworld show and we will be showing off Sid. So there's lots to do. Join us in this episode where we take care of everything. Yes, he did take quite the whack. It's pushed this panel right the way in. But now that Brian's got all the paint and filler off, we can start pin pulling all of this metal work out and get him straight again. Watch this space. Sid will go again. So little bit by little bit, it is slowly coming out. It's definitely rippled a lot of the panel. We've still got a lot of work to do here. And this has started to come out across the top. This has come out through here. Just need to work on this lower section, I think, pull that out and then start to get this out. I'm still undecided if I'm going to cut this section out and just weld in a new flat panel. It's probably going to be the case because I think this is just far too distorted to save. Do you know what, guys? I've been looking at it. It's just far too distorted. I'm going to cut this section out. So we've got a flat section to work with. We're welding a new piece of steel. I'm going to give this a go at pulling this out and see if that will come out. But this is just, it's far too ripply and everything you're touching here is distorting everything else. It's right out here where this is stretched so much. I think best intentions in the world, we're still not going to get this to go down. So I'm going to cut this out now and hopefully not set fire to Sid. Let's do it. Like what you're seeing? Don't forget. Cheers, guys. So that's that all cut out. Definitely a little wavy still. But that's giving me access to all of this so I can deal with all of that. I think I'm going to get all this carpet out next. Or at least tape this off so we don't get the sparks and anything into there. We're going to obviously have to have somebody on fire watch because of all the carpet inside when we do weld this back up. Yeah, it's all very... We've got to stop all of that from happening. Maybe a little bit more of this needs to go. think. Little tiny bit of flex in that, but I reckon by the time we start putting the new metal in, we'll be able to sort that out. So that's it. Sid's now got a gaping big hole in the side of him. So my plan of action is to now cut a piece of steel that fits that. Obviously I need to clean all this up. I'll probably pinball that a little bit more along there. I might even take that piece out as well across there. We'll pinball a bit more of this out down here. We've got to deal with this edge there, but I need to get the trim and everything out of the way on the inside to deal with that. And then we'll deal with taking out the interior, the carpet, etc. Pull it all back out of the way. I'll sort out this piece down here, so this needs straightening out, and then yeah, hopefully we are on the road to recovery. Definitely going to be a few more hours yet by the time we get all this stitched back into place, but I think we're heading in the right direction. Thanks for following, and catch us in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe.